how to fix Umamusume connection issues. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Umamusume. Once you're in this page, you have to make sure that you are connected to stable internet connection. If you do not have the stable Wi-Fi, you can turn on the cellular data as well. So once you're connected to stable internet connection, it should fix the issue. If not, the next thing you want to do is, you need to head over to the settings of a device. In here, move into General, and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Umamusume and then move into it. Click on Offload App, and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. If not, try heading to your app store and then search for the application Umamusume. Over here, you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. If not, click on Update and update it. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.